everyone, you are watching the Bharat and I am Divya presenting today's news bulletin. Let's start with some important headline first. An ISRO launched vehicle JSLV Mk3 gets ready for maiden commercial flight one where passengers arrive. A person is dying every 4 seconds due to hunger, warned over 200 NGOs. Yellow alert of heavy rain till September 24. Youth died due to lightning in Dola village in Uttarakhand. Traffic will be diverted in many places today because of cricket match in Dehradun. Now news in details. A Ukrainian Antonov 124 transporter plane ferrying precious cargo that belonged to a British internet service provider flew all the way from Florida in the US to the Indian city of Chennai. As amazing as its second, these are among the final steps they are underway for the much-awaited maiden commercial launch of India's heavy lifter rocket, the JSLV Mk3. While India's JSLV Mk3 has flown all 4 Indian national missions successfully to the date, this will be the first time that the rocket will be performing the paid service of ferrying customer satellite into space. There has been a major road accident in the capital of country, Delhi. A truck crushed 6 people sleeping on the divider in Simapuri area. 4 people died in the tragic accident, while 2 people were seriously injured. The injured are undergoing treatment. The deceased have been identified as 52-year-old Karim, 25-year-old Chote Khan, 38-year-old Shah Alam, and 45-year-old Rahul. At the same time, 16-year-old Manish and 30-year-old Pradeep are injured late in the night at 1:51 a.m. A speeding truck crushed 6 people sleeping on the road divider. Now some international news. One person is dying of hunger every 4 seconds, warned over 200 NGOs in an open letter to world leader gathering in New York for United Nations General Assembly. 238 NGOs from 75 countries have taken the initiative to sound the bell for global policymakers. The list includes NGOs like Oxfam, Save the Children Plan International. The NGOs express outrage at skyrocketing level of hunger globally. In the next side, communal frenzy is spreading in Britain. After the Asia Cup match between India and Pakistan, there was a Hindu-Muslim riot in Leicester near London, and now there has been news of disturbance in Smithwick. A crowd of more than 200 people raised slogan of Allah Akbar outside a temple in Smithwick yesterday. According to media report, the latest incident of the sloganeering and disturbance took place at Durga Bhavan in West Midlands, Smithwick, City of England. A section had organized a protest here. We'll be back after a short break.
ITM हमारा, इसमें बहती ज्ञान की गंगा है, इसमें रहती प्रेम की यमुना है, सिद्धांतों का उच्च हिमालय है, भक्ति सिखाता एक तिरंगा है, गुरुकुल जैसा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा, ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा, ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा.
Moving ahead in the news, let's talk about some important news of Uttarakhand. According to meteorologists, there is a possibility of heavy rain at isolated places in the hilly areas. There is also a possibility of rain and lightning in some areas with strong thunder. The weather remained clear in Uttarakhand since this morning. At the same time, the weather is expected to remain bad across the state for the next 4 days. The meteorological department has issued a yellow alert for heavy rain till September 24 across the state. In such a situation, the meteorological department has instructed the district administration and officials related to disaster management to be alert. In the view of international cricket matches to be held from today under the Road Safety World Series, the police have made a plan regarding the traffic system, under which diversion will be applicable in many places of the city. Barrier points have been made at 7 places. There will be a tight guard of the police here. The Road Safety World Series matches are to be held from September 21st to 25 at the International Cricket Stadium in Dehradun. Legends like Bharat Ratna Sachin Tendulkar and Brian Lara have reached the city to participate in it. A huge crowd is going to gather to watch these matches. Prime Minister Narendra Modi can inspect Kedarnath reconstruction work with the help of drone cameras from PMO office tomorrow, 22 September. For this, preparations are being completed at the Uttarakhand government and district administration level. These days, the second phase of work is going on in Kedarnath. Under this, a total of 21 works are proposed, out of which 10 works are to be completed this year. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will take stock of the terrestrial progress of these work live from the PMO on Thursday, 22 September. Australia defeated India by 4 wickets in the first match of the 3-match T20 first series. Batting first after losing the toss, India scored 208 runs from the loss of 6 wickets in 20 overs. Hardik Pandya played an unbeaten innings of 71 runs in 30 balls. In reply, Australia chased down the target in 19.2 overs for the loss of 6 wickets. Cameron Green made 61 runs in 30 balls and Matthew Wade played an unbeaten knock of 45 runs in 21 balls. With this win, Australia took a 1-0 lead in the series. The next match will be played on 23 September at the Vidarbha Cricket Association Stadium in Nagpur. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the Bharat.